I'm Emma. One sunny morning, I woke up and stretched my arms way up. Today was a special day. I was going to brush my teeth all by myself. Time to make my teeth shiny and clean. I picked up my pink toothbrush and squeezed just a little toothpaste, like Mommy taught me. Only a tiny pea-sized bit. First, I brushed my front teeth. I made sure each one got a little wiggle of the brush. Then, I brushed my side teeth, scrubbing in small circles like Mommy showed me. Top teeth, bottom teeth, all the way to the back.
Brush, 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 in little circles round and round. Front teeth, side teeth, all around. Make them sparkle without a sound.
My teeth were so sparkly. I did it. Mommy came in and gave me a big hug and what? She said my teeth are so bright and that I'm a cute brushing superstar. See you tomorrow, little brush. We're a great team.